ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. How's everybody doing on this glorious Monday? It's Memorial Day, that's right. And yeah, I'm cruising, going out to out of town to Bear Mountain and all that, Nyack and whatnot. Check out all that nonsense. See what's going on in that part of town. And for a second I forgot where it was that I was going. I'm actually going right over there. Oopsie. That would be a terribly illegal maneuver. So we'll just chill here. And my problem is I overdressed a little bit. I'm wearing these like warm gloves for some reason, and I'm wearing thermals. For some reason I thought it was a chilly little day, and it's actually quite nice. It's actually quite a nice day. I'm making all the bad decisions, and I actually have a pair of gloves, normal gloves, in my backpack, in my Kriega in the bag, right back there. Yeah. And hopefully the roads are still empty, and hopefully there's not too much traffic here and there and everywhere. And we'll just have a nice little ride, you know. And my earplug is already coming out. I might have to do like a wardrobe change. I have to put on my other gloves and you know, adjust my earplug. Might have to do a few things. You gotta be content when you're riding. You gotta be like super. Oh fuck, my turn signal is not working. That sucks. Well, no, it's working, it's just the switch is fucked. The switch is fucked. I should pull over and address all these issues. Adjust everything. And then we can start this vlog. Start it off right. Those stupid earplugs, I should just pull them out. I'm kidding. I really like them, but sometimes it does take an attempt or two to trying to get in there. Trying to get into the parking garage. Go ahead. Stop right here for a sec. Adjust all my things. All right. Fantastic. All right, let me pause this for a sec. That's fine. Yeah. All right. We're back. Ladies and gents, we're back on the road. I don't know what's going on here. I've changed my gloves out, much better. The other gloves were just entirely too warm for this occasion. But my little Kriega sack is not as neat as, you know, like when you pack it at home, when you take your sweet time. Now it's just a big mess. Still cute though. And my earplug, it's not working so hot. It's not my day. What can you do? First world problems, right? Oh no, my Kriega bag is not neat and my earplug is not working. Things are falling apart. I'm just not used to earplugs. I have weird shaped ears. This is so nice. Oh, there's a speed trap ahead. Good. 200 feet. Perfect. Thank you for the warning. So anyway, we are in Greenpoint, Brooklyn, and we're still in the middle of Corona situation, and it's actually Memorial Day weekend. So today is Memorial Day in the United States of America, and all these people all over the country are on the beaches and partying, and like there's all these videos of people just like partying it up, and I don't know, who knows what to think. I just know that Corona is still popping. It's definitely not all over, you know, it's not over and dusted, not by a long shot. And right now we're on the way to Manhattan. I'm gonna take Queensboro Bridge, that's like pretty much right ahead of us, and hop on AFDR and just go that way. And I wonder if we'll see any po-po. I hope the answer is no, and I hope I have my driver's license and registration in my pocket, because that would make for a silly thing. No, I have it. I'm pretty sure I have it right here. Yeah, I think we're good. Oh look, the cars have finally caught up. So there's a speed trap, so we gotta take it easy. Nope, no speed trapping me. The infamous Taco Bell. I came here last week. It was so good. Yeah, my left fucking turn signal is gonna have to get a new one. I replaced it 2 years ago, this whole assembly here, and something's going on again. I'm gonna have to take it. I'm gonna take it apart and look, but I also kind of want to have a backup on deck in case I can't open it up, because who knows what the hell is going on in there, you know. I certainly don't, but I definitely gotta be ultra aware of the law, because if I don't show a left signal and I get stopped for that, I'll feel like a dummy, that's for certain. All right, now we're gonna get on Pulaski Bridge. Scanning all the traffic all around me, always. Speed up just a little bit here. Don't want to go too fast now, because you will get a speeding ticket on this bridge. There has been some known cases of that. Bike feels good. It's cruising, relaxing. For some reason, my quad lock, I think my case is getting old. Need a new case. We're in Queens, I believe, Long Island City. Make this light, this next light, not so much. Yeah, I am a little bit concerned, because my phone is not supposed to do that. I definitely don't want to have it fly off. That'd be a shame. So I've had that for years, for like 7 years, and it's the first time it's doing that, so that's why I'm concerned. And it's supposed to rain here in New York City at some point, at like 11 and at 1. So there's a good chance I'm gonna get caught in a little bit of rain. Maybe not. Alright. I think we're all headed to Queens Bridge, to be honest with you. The sky is not looking inviting on this Memorial Day. I bet it's probably nice on the beach though, still, you know. Still catch some sun rays. It's gonna be like 70 degrees later. Obviously not now. I think all these people go on a bridge. It's possible. At least half of them won't. Oh boy. Massive confusion all around. Come on, baby. Here we go. Nobody's there. Nobody's here. We're all right. Silver Cup. This is where they filmed Sopranos. It's so crazy. I just finished Sopranos, so I'm all like, is it? Oh, wait, Silver Cup? I think so, yeah. Little turnage here. Take it easy. Behind the sweet Sienna. Is that what it's called? That minivan? I believe so. I'll stay in my lane. It's okay. I don't need to be a savage. And now we're heading into Manhattan. Beautiful Queens Bridge. Queensboro Bridge. Oh boy. What is this fucking person doing? Bro. Holy cow. Get ahead. That speed bump in the car. Come on. On the bike even, you know. Now we're in Manhattan. At least I didn't call him any bad words, right? I think I just called him bro. I said bro. FDR North. That's what we need. Well, at least if the phone flies off, I'll get it on video, right? Do. Here I go straight. Green light, baby. Give me that. I'm gonna speed now. The pole sometimes is around here. Now we're gonna be on FDR. This is the Bentley Hotel. I actually been to the top of it to get chicken wings. It was pretty cool because you could see the view of the Queensboro Bridge. Really nice. That's where like the New York Yankees, I guess, rent it out to like celebrate for their wins. It doesn't look that cute. Isn't that funny? The Bentley Hotel is like, I mean, it's pretty cool, I guess. That's nice. Could use a little revamp. It's probably really cool at one point. All right, let's see if we can get on the FDR.